fishing at this little pond today, and with my little cousin and my little brother. So yeah, we'll see what we can catch. We ain't never fished it, but Brody said he caught a 7-pounder out of here. I got a picture of it and everything. So yeah, we'll get back. Wonker. God dang.
Yay! Holy crap!
Oh my God. I was casting right there and I told him I just missed one. And then like I haven't weighed him yet, but I'm about to. Holy crap. Whoo! My God.
Yeah.
Alright, we about to get some pictures with him and stuff.
God!
Yeah, we'll get back to y'all. Let's see if he'll focus. Well, he's 4 pounds.
God.
Oh man. Alright, I'm gonna take some pictures and then we'll get the release. Alright, I'm gonna let him go. Man, it's a nice fish.
Dead?
No, he ain't dead. Have to revive him. Go do. Cannot believe.
No.
Hold up. He'll go.
No.
I ain't gonna throw him. He just has to get revived.
He's dead.
He's not dead, Landon.
No, no. Move his tail. Act like he's swimming.
Hold up.
Move his tail.
Stop, Landon. There you go.
Push him out.
Oh, there he goes. He's barely going. Alright, well, there he goes.
Ciao. Ciao. You're trying to catch him, aren't you?
We'll get back to y'all. I got one. It's a little one. I cast it right out where I caught that. Oh my.
What?
Never mind. Literally right after I lost that one. Cannot believe I just did that. That's a little guy. We're using these little culprit worms.
Whoa.
I don't know what color they're in.
Get it.
I don't know what the name of it is. All right, we'll get back to y'all with the release. Let him
Leaving. Oh, I want to lip him.
I ain't really. You gotta catch one. You gonna lip one. All right, we'll get back to y'all. A little one. Not even a little half-pounder. Hey, like I set the hook and everything. I didn't even feel him on there because he was so small. He was barely even fighting. Oh, I don't know if he's gonna get through all this, whatever. Yeah, we'll get back to you. Another little one. About the same size as the last one I was caught. I think there's a bunch of little ones in here, but there's also a few lunkers in here. Cause I caught a 4-pounder earlier. But yeah, let this little guy go. All right, we'll get back to you.